वास्को पुलिशेन दोगा आरोपींक चोरयेच्या केशींत ताब्यांत घेतल्यात. विशाल देसाय आनी नितीन खोर्जुवेकरान दुचाकी चोरिल्ली. त्या दुचाकीक पेंट करून तांच्यांनी ती OLXार विकिल्ली. विशालाक वास्को पुलिशेन इन्स्टॉलमेंट घेतना अटक केल्लो. उपरांत नितीनाक ताब्यांत घेतलो. RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
In an auto theft which was reported last month, Vasco police have effected breakthrough with initial arrest of one Vishal Desai, resident of Kunkoli, for his involvement in the theft of a Jupiter scooter which was stolen from Daboli. The accused person, along with others, had downloaded on the OLX photo of the said scooter and collected initial amount of ₹19,000 from a local resident of Vasco. After painting the said scooter at Kunkoli and also after changing the number plate. Subsequently, after gathering of information to a reliable source, Vasco LIB team laid a trap, and subsequently the first accused, Vishal Desai, was caught red-handed last night at Vasco, and subsequently, based on his confession, another accused person, Nitin Kumar Zoikar, has been detained. The said Nitin Kumar Zoikar, a resident of New Ade, was earlier involved in a cheating case registered at Vasco police station. So also he was in the custody of Mumbai police for at least 3 months after being involved in a cheating case registered at Mumbai. Further investigation is in progress to find out their involvement in other theft cases of scooters, motorcycles.